Sail Away, a lovely new range of fabrics designed by Makower, and Lynne Goldsworthy has used them to produce a really lovely quilt. This is a free download, both the pattern and the shade card, as it were. So if you pop into your local quilt store, you should be able to see, if not a whole range, certainly some of the range. The quilt has been designed around this panel. This panel comes with 8 pictures, and Lynne has designed the pattern here to use all 8, and she also has created cornerstones and a center motif of Ohio Star. So I'm going to show you some of the component parts because I think we could make up our own design, or you could make it exactly like she has.